Well, y'all are probably going to think I'm crazy, but I got this recliner here and the price was right. Light smoker, supposedly. And I have tried everything in the world to try to get the smell out of there. So now I'm going to soak it down with this, and then I'm just going to get the old hose to it. There's the bottom, there's the back, and then of course it'll take a couple days for it to dry out. So here we go. Better watch it there now. Alright, I'm gonna get you. That's a big oops. Water getting all over my camera. One of my buddies told me to take it to the car wash. Well, I didn't want to take a chance spending a couple of bucks on this, dragging it over there and bringing it back, and it's still not working. Oh, you're welcome to leave any kind of comments you like. That'd be fine. You think they'll be pretty nice, Dennis?
I don't know about that.
No comment.
No comment.
Okay, but you can leave me a comment.
That's right.
Alright, anyway, we're going to let this stuff sit out here for a couple of days. And then I'll soak it down with a bunch of WD-40 and hope like heck it doesn't smell anymore. You got any extra comments you want to mention?
I don't think I'd take it inside, Dusty.
I think that's a very wise idea. Okay. What do you think the first comment's going to be, Dennis?
What in the world are you doing?
Well, that's too simple.
Where did you get that thing?
Yeah, there you go. That'll be the first one. Where'd you get that thing, Lee? Why'd you even worry about it? Because the price was right. Okay.